Yeah, top.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all doing well and I'm wishing you all in good health. If you're new, I am Sana and I make beauty videos on this channel. So now that you know me, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you are coming back to my channel, so welcome back. And today you will see me creating this look, the one I'm wearing. I've created this look for Eid al-Azha and it's a very basic look. Like, it can go with any outfit. You can pair this eye look with any outfit, with any lip color. So that's why I've created this look, so that you can wear it with any outfit, koi color issue na ho. And I think a lot of talking is done, so let's just get into the video and see how I created this look. I'll take this peach color. You don't have to have the same palettes. If you have similar shades and other palettes, that would do too. Then I'll go over the same shade with this brown shade with the red hint in it, and I'm going to put it all over my crease. Now I'm going in with this dark brown shade and I'm going to put it in my crease and the sides of my eyes. I'm leaving the middle part empty as I'm going for a halo effect, so I won't be putting it in the middle of my lid. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm going over the edges so that there isn't any harsh line. Now with the help of a very tiny brush, I'm cleaning up my lid, like giving it a halo effect. I'm going to clean up the middle part of my lid so that I can put shimmer on it. Now I'll be putting this shade over the concealer. I've used Fix Plus on my brush so that the pigment of the shimmer is really good and it gives a very metallic feel to the shade. You don't have to worry about the neatness. We'll go over the shades to clean up the edges, so let it be. So I felt the shimmer is not too much, so I went in with this shade and I'm going to put it over the same shade. Now I'm taking the same shades and going over the colors so that they intensify and it looks more neat. And now you know the drill. I'm putting the same shades on my lower lash line and buffing them out so that it gives a very smoked out effect. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll also leave my Insta handle right over here. Go follow me there because I post product reviews and mini tutorials over there as well. So I think you should follow me there. And I think this is it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.